Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by validating hardware and permissions. Check that both your computer and device expose Thunderbolt 4 or USB 4 ports, and use a certified 40 Gbps, 100 WPD cable if you need power delivery. Once done, install any firmware and OS updates, then open System Thunderbolt security settings to approve new devices. Make sure to allow access prompts. This prevents blocked connections. Now you're ready to plug in and proceed to active connections. You plug the Thunderbolt 4 cable into the host, then into the peripheral. Start with direct connections so you can isolate issues. If you attach a display, open display settings and choose resolution and refresh rate. Thunderbolt 4 supports multiple high-res monitors, but the host controls configuration. When adding external drives or adapters, daisy-chain them logically and watch aggregate bandwidth. Prioritize the fastest device closest to the host. Once configured, test file transfers and video playback to confirm expected performance. You finish by tidying connections and confirming power delivery and device recognition in System Info. Make sure sleep and wake behave correctly. Once everything works, label ports or cables if you manage multiple docks. If a device won't appear or performance is low, reboot the host, swap to another Thunderbolt 4 certified cable, and reauthorize the peripheral in security settings. This single troubleshooting step often resolves blocked or slow links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.